Hello, my name is Mike Louthan. I'm here today to talk to you about Clockaudio microphones. Clockaudio is a UK company that manufactures all their products in the UK to a very high quality. Their microphones and control devices are designed to go in conference rooms, boardrooms, and training rooms. And most of their microphones are designed for through-hole mounting on conference room tables. We're going to talk about a product today called the ARM102RF. It's a through-table microphone and it's also motorized. And what that means is when the microphone's not in use, it'll retract into the table for a very, very clean appearance. We've paired that microphone today with a TS001 touch switch. The switch allows me to mute and unmute the microphone and can be placed at a convenient position in front of the talker in the conference room. Or in some cases, you can use multiple switches to control one microphone. We're going to take a look at the microphone. We're also going to take a look at how we control this in a DSP system. And in this case, we're using a biamp audio, which is a popular DSP, and a biamp logic box, which is located under the conference table, or it may be located in the back of the equipment rack. And here's our programming software. We're looking right now at just the logic piece of the programming. Down below is the mute block, some of the other input blocks, but we're concentrating really just on the logic piece. And you can see in the middle of the screen, there's a logic box. This is a physical device that we have wiring connected into to control the microphone. At the top, we have a NOT gate, and the NOT gate is designed to invert the operation of the push button, so that when we push it, it mutes. When we release it, it unmutes. We also have a flip-flop gate, and the flip-flop converts that action to a toggle. So when a presenter or participant touches the button once, it turns green. Touch it again, it turns red, so it's a toggle action. And you can also monitor a couple other things. You can see the mute function over here, and you can see as the indicator turns green, it unmutes. Touch it again, and it turns red. So we're able to verify the performance and operation of the table-mounted product right in the DSP to verify our programming is correct and our cabling is correct. We've also added a couple meters. We have two logic meters on here, a NOT meter and a flip-flop meter. And you can see as I manipulate the switch, the NOT meter indicates that the switch has changed state. And when we touch it again, it goes back to a low state. We can also see the flip-flop meter indicate the toggle function, controlling the mute function. And finally, we've added a logic state control. And this gives me the ability to control the microphone position without an external control system. So you can see as I press the set button, the microphone retracts into the table. As I press it again, the microphone rises up out of the table. And we can see the cabling in our programming is tied to pin 9. And when we look under the conference room table, we'll also see where that's tied to pin 9 of the logic box. We've added a couple other logic meters on here just to monitor different portions of the logic chain, but the NOT meter and the flip-flop meter are the most important.